Hey guys, this is Chase Kretschmer here, and today we will be saving a bird that we have already basically saved. But, see, we have these mice, field rats is what they're called, and they're living under our barn. So, we went out here and set rouse traps, not rouse traps. That's funny how I said Ralph because, Ralph the Mouse, if you guys ever seen that movie or book, it's pretty cool and funny. But anyways, we have these mouse traps, and he's been digging holes under our barn. And see, that's what the mouse trap looks like. That yellow thing right there. So we set up two of them in here. Well, there's birds that got stuck on there. And I came in here and I found them and I ripped them off. And now we're taking care of them. Because it's basically it's like glue almost. Like, it's real sticky and stuff. So, like, look at that. But anyways, there's like 8 or 9 of them. So, we're out here in the backyard washing them with dish soap and ice cream buckets. And then we're gonna keep them for a couple of days until they get better. Maybe. So, I don't know. One has a big giant hole in it. And feathers are all ripped off of it and everything else like that. But here they are.
Well, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh.
Chase?
There's one of them. And then the other one's over here in the cage. He's looking right at the camera like, what the heck did you do? Hey. And they're completely wild. Like, I just happened to look in and they were stuck on the mice trap. But they're all washed off. They got their water right there. Their food right there. And we're just gonna see until they get better. Hopefully they do. Well, yeah, it's really sticky.
Yeah, it's really sticky. It's all chunky and everything. He's trying to communicate with all the other birds, but he can't. He's scared. Why are you filming this?
I'm putting it on YouTube. But, anyways, as I was saying, and I've seen these birds a lot. Like, they have their own nest up in there in the barn and everything like that. And that's why I really want to save them, because they have babies and stuff. So, hopefully they get better. And, if they don't, then it'd be really sad.
Chase, can you turn the camera that way?
So, I'll get to you guys in a little bit.
Oh, why did you do that?